Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. Okay, so today I will be doing a watermelon foot pill that I had got from Target. Okay, this foot pill, I must say, it was definitely different. Okay, so the difference I had seen between this foot pill and other foot pills I used in the past, with this foot pill, you have to take the solution and you have to distribute it all throughout this here booty. Okay. And you have to do it for both booties, and you want to make sure that the solution is applied all throughout the booties, right? So when you put the booty on your foot, honey, it's just something about me keep saying booty, okay? But when you put the little shoes on your feet, or big shoes, whatever type of shoes you have, but when you put these little plastic things on your feet, you want to make sure that the solution was applied evenly. This watermelon foot pill stuff, it smells so good. And at first I was saying that this is all natural, but I don't believe is all natural. I know the solution, the liquid that we put in the booties, is fruit acid. And the reason why I say I don't think it's all natural, because honey, is some words on the back that I couldn't pronounce. Some big doggone words, okay? So right here, you want to make sure your feet is nice and clean. Okay, I just got out the shower, so I'm putting the booties on my feet. On the packaging, it says keep the booties on your feet for about 60 minutes to an hour and a half. Okay, I believe. So I definitely kept the booties on my feet for a while. Now, I told you guys I have done foot pills in the past, but this one, the reason why it was different was because the price was $7.99, and honey, you get one package, one set of booties. Okay. In the past, when I brought foot pills from off of Amazon, I believe you could get like 6 sets for $10 or something like that. And those booties was from China. Okay, I believe shit. This one was from China too. But I got this from Target. Okay. Peace family. Okay, so some of the days I had pretty much skipped because it wasn't too much that was going on. This foot pill, it definitely was a slow process. Okay. This is already day 4, I believe, and the skin, it just like really started peeling. Okay. And so this is pretty much how it is looking. I had just got out the shower, and as you can see, like some of the skin is coming off. Honey, you be so tempted to just peel it, okay? But honey, you can't peel it, and don't put no solution on your feet because it defeats the whole process.